10 natural hair food and treatment tips for hair growth in 2024. In an age where beauty trends evolve faster than Instagram feeds refresh, one thing remains timeless: healthy, luscious hair. Whether you are aiming for Rapunzel-like lengths or simply want to revive your locks to their former glory, natural hair food and treatments offer a renewing and sustainable solution. Bid farewell to harsh chemicals and welcome these 10 natural hair food and treatment tips to kickstart your journey to vibrant, flourishing hair in 2024 and beyond. If you're losing hair, there are some things you can try to help it grow back naturally. Massaging your scalp gently can stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. You could also try applying aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, as it has soothing properties and may encourage hair regrowth. Additionally, using essential oils like coconut or lemon oil can provide nourishment to your hair follicles, potentially aiding in regrowth. Hair loss can affect anyone and is considered natural. It's normal to lose 50 to 100 hairs per day. This might not sound like much considering the average person has around 100,000 hair follicles on their head, and hair usually grows back. However, hair loss can become more rapid depending on the underlying cause, and in some cases it can be permanent. While hair loss itself may not directly impact physical health, it can have a significant emotional toll. Massaging your scalp with hair oils and masks can stimulate it and might enhance hair thickness. Stretching while massaging could promote hair growth and thickness in the dermal papilla cells found at the base of the hair follicle. These cells are crucial for hair regeneration and growth. A 2019 study demonstrated that scalp massaging can improve hair growth, blood flow, and overall scalp health. It can also help reduce stress and tension, which are emotions linked to hair loss. When massaging your scalp, use your fingertips, avoiding your fingernails. Move in small circles across your scalp, applying light to medium pressure. While there's no specific time frame for massaging, the study mentioned involved daily massages for 4 minutes over 24 weeks. Let's quickly find out about 10 natural food and treatment tips to help you regrow your hair healthy and strong. Number 1, eggs for protein and biotin. Eggs have lots of protein and biotin, which are super important for making your hair grow. Your hair follicles need protein to grow strong and healthy. If you don't get enough protein, your hair might start falling out. Biotin is also crucial because it helps your body make a special hair protein called keratin. That's why some people take biotin supplements to help their hair grow faster. If you don't have enough biotin, it could slow down your hair growth. Biotin deficiencies are rare if you eat a balanced diet. For most people without health problems, there's not much proof that having more biotin is helpful. Taking too much biotin can mess up lab tests for different conditions. Even though it's unlikely to get too much biotin from food, some supplements for hair, skin, and nails have more than you need in a day. Besides, eggs are packed with zinc, selenium, and other good stuff for your hair. That's why they're one of the top foods for keeping your hair healthy. Number 2, spinach for vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and folate. Spinach is a super healthy green veggie full of good stuff like folate, iron, and vitamins A and C, all vital for hair growth. Vitamin A is particularly important for hair growth, but don't overdo it on the supplements, as too much can actually make you lose hair. Just eating foods with plenty of vitamin A should do the trick. A cup of spinach can give you about 20% of the vitamin A you need every day. Spinach is also a fantastic plant-based source of iron, which is crucial for hair growth. Iron helps your blood cells carry oxygen around your body, fueling your metabolism and helping with growth and repair. Not getting enough iron might lead to hair loss. Number 3. Beans for protein, zinc, and more. Beans are awesome for giving you plant-based protein, which is super important for making your hair grow. They're also packed with zinc, just like oysters, which helps your hair grow and repair. If you have about 3.5 ounces of black beans, you'll get around 14% of what a woman needs for zinc in a day and 10% for a man. But that's not all. Beans also have lots of other good stuff for your hair, like iron, biotin, and folate. And the best part? Beans are so versatile and cheap, making them an easy way to boost your diet and help your hair grow strong and healthy. Number 4, avocados for healthy fats and vitamin E. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're super healthy too, packed with good fats. They're also loaded with vitamin E, which might help your hair grow. If you have a medium avocado, you'll get about 28% of your daily vitamin E needs. Vitamin E works like vitamin C as an antioxidant, fighting off free radicals that can mess with your hair. Some studies suggest that people with hair loss might have lower levels of vitamin E, but the evidence isn't clear-cut. One older study found that taking a vitamin E supplement boosted hair growth by 34.5% over 8 months. Plus, vitamin E isn't just good for your hair, it protects your scalp from damage too. A healthy scalp means better hair quality and more hair follicles. Number 5, sweet potatoes for beta-carotene. Sweet potatoes are awesome because they're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, a real hair health hero. If you have a medium sweet potato, you'll get about 160% of your daily vitamin A needs from all that beta-carotene. Vitamin A is great for your hair because it helps your body make sebum, which keeps your hair healthy. But watch out, not getting enough vitamin A can lead to hair loss, and so can having too much. So it's best to stick to getting your vitamin A from foods like sweet potatoes rather than taking too many supplements. Number 6, berries for antioxidants and collagen production. Berries are like little powerhouses for your hair because they're full of good stuff like vitamin C, which is a super strong antioxidant. Antioxidants are like bodyguards for your hair follicles, protecting them from damage caused by nasty molecules called free radicals, which are found naturally in your body and in the environment. For instance, just 1 cup of strawberries can give you a whopping 85 milligrams of vitamin C, covering up to 113% of your daily needs. But wait, there's more. Vitamin C is also essential for making collagen, a protein that strengthens your hair and stops it from getting weak and breaking. And here's another bonus. Vitamin C helps your body soak up iron from your food. If you don't get enough iron, you might end up with anemia, which has been linked to hair loss. So munching on berries can help keep your hair strong and healthy. Number 7, sweet peppers for vitamins C and A. Sweet peppers are like little vitamin C bombs packed with antioxidants that can really give your hair a boost. Just 1 yellow pepper can provide up to 456% of what a woman needs in a day for vitamin C and 380% for a man. That's a lot of vitamin C power. Vitamin C is great because it helps your body make collagen, which makes your hair stronger. Plus, it's an antioxidant, so it can protect your hair from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is when free radicals outnumber your body's defenses, and it's been linked to hair loss and even premature graying. But that's not all. Sweet peppers are also packed with vitamin A, which is super important for hair growth. it helps your body make sebum, which keeps your hair healthy and shiny. So adding sweet peppers to your diet can really help your hair stay strong and beautiful. Number 8, meat for protein and iron. Meat is a powerhouse of nutrients that can really give your hair a boost thanks to its protein and iron content. Protein is like the building blocks for your hair, helping it grow and repair. For example, just a 3.5-ounce serving of cooked sirloin steak can give you up to 29 grams of protein. Red meat, in particular, is rich in a type of iron that your body can easily absorb. Iron helps your red blood cells carry oxygen to all parts of your body, including your hair follicles. But here's the thing, while meat can be great for your hair, it's essential not to overdo it, especially with red and processed meats. Too much of these can up your risk for things like heart disease, colorectal cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Plus, if you're not getting enough protein and iron from your diet, it could lead to hair loss. So, enjoy meat in moderation to keep your hair and your overall health in check. Number 9, nuts for vitamin E, vitamin B, zinc, and healthy fats. Nuts are not only delicious and easy to snack on, but they're also packed with nutrients that are super important for hair growth. Take almonds, for example. Just 1 ounce can give you almost half of your daily vitamin E needs, which is great for your hair. But that's not all. Nuts are also loaded with B vitamins, zinc, and essential fatty acids, all of which play a crucial role in keeping your hair healthy. If you don't get enough of these nutrients, it could lead to hair loss. And the benefits of nuts don't stop there. They've also been linked to reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease, making them a fantastic addition to your diet for overall health and well-being. Number 10, fatty fish for omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Fatty fish like salmon, herring, and mackerel are like superfoods for your hair, packed with nutrients that might give your locks a boost. One of their standout features is their high omega-3 fatty acid content, which could be great for promoting hair growth. There's some evidence, though not extensive, suggesting that supplements with omega-3s and other nutrients might reduce hair loss and increase hair density. These fish are also loaded with other goodies like protein, selenium, vitamin D3, and B vitamins, all of which can contribute to strong, healthy hair. Some studies even suggest that vitamin D3 deficiency might be linked to hair loss, although more research is needed to confirm this. Even though the connection between vitamin D and hair loss isn't entirely clear yet, it's still a good idea to make fatty fish and other sources of vitamin D a regular part of your diet for overall health and potentially hair health too. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more nutrition insights, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling us how you plan to incorporate more sweet peppers into your diet.